Here are 10 places you must visit before you leave this world. 1. Drive towards the clouds at Taihang Mountains, China. 2. Dive into the vibrant coral reefs of the Red Sea, Saudi Arabia. 3. Walk across the endless mirror-like salt flats of Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. 4. Swim in the glowing waters of Mosquito Bay, Puerto Rico. 5. Explore the magical Waitomo glowworm caves, New Zealand. 6. Feel the spray of the majestic Skogafoss waterfall, Iceland. 7. Hike to the breathtaking peaks of Pico do Arieiro, Madeira, Portugal. 8. Marvel at the heavenly views from Villa Monastero, Lake Como, Italy. 9. Stroll through the serene hilltop gardens of Monjam, Chiang Mai, Thailand. 10. Relax on the pristine beaches of Seychelles. Set a goal to see all these places with your own eyes. Share this video with someone you'd love to travel with. If you're not following, you will never see us again. But if you are, then congratulations. You're growing every day.